Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable gesture navigation on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, gesture navigation allows for a full screen display without the need for traditional navigation buttons, maximizing the screen real estate for content and applications. And also, enabling gesture navigation provides a cleaner and more immersive interface. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, access the settings menu on your device. Okay, next select the display option. And then scroll down the page and tap on the navigation bar menu. Okay, within the navigation bar settings, activate the swipe gestures option to enable gesture-based navigation. Once activated, you can utilize the swipe gestures as follows. To navigate to the home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. And for switching between apps, swipe up from the bottom, hold briefly, then release. Okay, lastly, to go back, swipe from either the left or right edge of the screen. Okay, and these swipe gestures provide an intuitive and efficient way to navigate through your device interface with ease. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to enable gesture navigation on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.